Hey guys, Kenny here from Crypto Capital Trends. And on today's video, I want to walk you through how I chart Bitcoin or any other digital asset. And I do this daily. Usually I get up in the morning and I'll see what happened overnight, like the Asian market or the London market, depending what time I woke up. Obviously, Bitcoin could pump or dump, and I just want to see where it's at and look forward to the day and see what trades I could possibly take. So I'm going to get you over to the charts right now. So here we have one of my Bitcoin charts. I think I'm going to use this for my charting on stream. This is stuff I did before. It's just kind of a mess, so let's clean this all. This is on the Binance chart. So I'm going to hide some of the different indicators here, just make it nice and clean. And let's see if I can just wipe this all out with a big box here. Yes, get rid of it. Okay, so now we have a nice clean chart. So this is like what I like to start with, and I like to start with the 4 hour. So the overall trend, let's get rid of that. You could even even though I would have looked at it before, you could go to like the monthly. It's good to know just like as kind of like your own general knowledge. Okay, there's what the monthly Bitcoin price looks like. We put in a higher high over here. Okay, let's go to the daily. Here's the daily Bitcoin price. So we kind of had a top here, and we've been now kind of working our way down, because if you did like kind of like a channel thing here to here, oh, I did it the wrong way. So let's see, but if you drew out just kind of like a channel here, so if you just drew out like a channel here, so if you just drew out like a channel, where is the friggin' trend line? Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So if you just drew out like a channel here, you'd see it would kind of look like, use that trend line again. It would kind of like this, going downward. So that's something to keep in mind as you're going forward. But more actionable stuff is the 4 hour. So what is the 4 hour doing? So what I like to do is do market structure. You look for the higher highs, the higher lows, or sorry, the lower lows or the higher highs, whatever one you want. You have to see where the market is taking you on that day. So if we start from, let's say, up this top, I like to use this tool right here. So you went down, put in a low and a high. Let's just say it was right there, down, up, and then down. So this is the 4 hour, and now we've broken higher. And does it break that? So it breaks it over there. So this was the low, and it came up to here, and then this was kind of a weird little move here. Let's say it broke it down, and then it went up, and then down, and now it's getting over by my head over here, so let's just stretch it out here. So then we went high. We're looking for where it was broken, so let's go there to there, and here's where we are right now. So our low was just broken, so let's just do that up. So what I do is I get these lines, put it here. I'm just going to show you because obviously that was broken, and then our high was here. So at this point, this was our 4 hour lower high, and this was our 4 hour lower low, and now we've broken that. So you can actually move this line down to here. Alright, so that's what we're working with on the 4 hour. Price is obviously going down, so it looks like we had a bit of reaction down here. Could that have reacted off something in here? Yes. So we're looking now, it's starting to go up. You can see that a little more clear probably on the 1 hour. So now we're on the 1 hour. So let's see what price was doing on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour price, just we go down, up, down, up, down. So this is our high right there. So that was our 1 hour lower high, 1 hour lower high, right there. And a lot of times I'll put on like the bell for notification, just so if the price comes up, we know it's hitting that. And then obviously this is our 1 hour. I haven't found a great way to incorporate this. I could change the title of it, but a lot of times I'll just put like the down here, and I'll go 1 hour a lower low, and just kind of stack them there, because a lot of times that might be the 1 hour lower low, the 4 hour lower low, and also the 15-minute lower low. So now we'll go down to the 15-minute to get a really clear picture of what stuff you might be able to action today. What do we got? So it looks like this was a very, so I did make a trade. Let's see if I can just switch over. It was a quick little 2 hour trade to yeah. So I was looking at this here, and I'll explain this a little bit later, but you can see I had a nice little dump. Took my profits. It dumped a little low, but hey, that's fine. I don't need that. And it's come back up, and we're going to see where it's going from there. I think I was watching that on like the 5 minutes. That's how I drew it. I'll explain that in a second, but let's just go back to our other chart here. So our 15 minutes, so if we do it from the top of the 1 hour, we go one, go down, up, down. Oh, it breaks up. No, it breaks down. We go down to here. And then where's it break down there again? So it went up to there, down to here, up to there, down, and that's what I grabbed as a trade. And now it's between those 2 points there right now. So we have the 15-minute lower high, 15-minute lower high, and then with all these other ones again down here. Where did my line go? Sorry. 15-minute unconfirmed lower low, because it could still go lower. Unconfirmed lower low. So there we go. So price now, a lot of times after we see a little bit of a dump, price sometimes will then kind of like range sideways, which is already kind of doing here top to bottom. So if you just took volume profile, pull it, you can be like, okay, price was here, down to the bottom, back to the, down to the bottom, almost to the top, down outside this, and now it's come back inside its range. So Bitcoin likes to, so basically what Bitcoin does is it makes big moves to the upside, the downside, then it ranges. Big moves upside to the downside, then it ranges. So if you go back, let's just say like the 4 hour, you can notice that. So you can have like a big move, kind of range sideways, big move, go sideways, big move, go sideways, big move up, sideways, big move down, sideways, big move down, sideways, big move up, big move down, sideways. So yeah, you kind of get that going back and forth. So that is kind of how I chart out my day right there. So on the, this is on the 15-minute. We see we have the 4 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, and we're in this right now. So we zoom a little bit closer, and we may be going sideways. So if we go over to the action that I took this morning, just for a quick little trade, I was watching, and I think it was on the 5 minute here. So I was watching the Bitcoin price come down. So you can see, take the tool up, down, up, down, up, and then we were kind of going sideways here, and obviously it went down, up, and then down, and now it's coming up here. So what was I looking for? So when I entered the trade, I was in here, so I set my stop loss at this previous high over here, and for me to make a trade worth it, I need at least 2 hours, so I put it down here, and I got the trade. It came up a little bit here, and let me just move all this for all the, get rid of all the noise. And what did it hit off? Let's see if we can find something that it hit off to cause this reaction. I don't see if there's anything there super exciting that I could say. It was like an order block, and I'll explain those in other videos like supply and demand. But it came into here, yeah, and it got some type of movement. Not sure what caused it, and then down it went. So then when the big move happened here, all of a sudden this candle right here kind of became an order block to target. So this caused the reaction down. So, and I'll do a video explaining this, but a lot of all my trading ideas comes from a concept I learned from White Phoenix. It'd be called like smart money, but I'll have a link to his stuff down below. He's an awesome trader, awesome guy. But they created this order block here, then price dipped all the way down. Let's just show it on a smaller candle. You can see actually this was a big candle right here, and when it came back up again to hit into that order block here that was created, you can see the candles wicked into it, and it's still just kind of hovering there. So I think we're just going to go sideways for a little bit. So that was a quick little trade. I haven't found something I'm looking for next. I'm really just looking to see what Bitcoin does. Let's go back to our newly charted out territory. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, so we're obviously watching this 15-minute here. Let's get rid of this so we can see it. We're looking to see what Bitcoin does in between these two 15. So did this cause a reaction? Now we're going to change market structure. So in order for us to change market structure on the 15-minute, that's what I like to see. Obviously, price would have to go past this candle here. So this created some weird kind of market movement here. So technically, the 15-minute lower high is right here because we came down. We didn't break this until there. Yeah, so that is our 15-minute here. So now we're kind of seeing what price. Sorry, I had that a little wrong there. I thought this candle was something different, but that was kind of a weird movement there. So our 15 minutes there to there. And so yeah, we're just watching price in there. Like I said, you can bring the volume profile. It's creating this little channel. It seems like it's having trouble getting past this point of control, which is that middle line of the volume profile. So if you break past this, which we're kind of doing, you go to like maybe a lower time frame just to kind of watch it, 3-minute. If it now breaks and confirms past this, you would expect the expectational order flow would be for it to go up to here to the top of the channel, and then the same thing we'd watch for a reaction. Does it reject from that and then come down, or does it get up here, break above, and then go higher? So that's kind of what we're watching for right now, but as you can see here, it's rejecting again from that, so maybe it's going to come back lower and take out that low. So that's something we'd watch for too. So now that we're on this lower time frame, what are we watching for? Well, we could watch the 3-minute was going the market structure up, down, up, and then down, up, down, up. So you'd be kind of watching it kind of between these 2 points right now. So you really wouldn't want to enter a trade till it got below this channel, and that's because so that would change market structure on the 3-minute, and also you're breaking below this. So you want to confirm below that, then you'd look for it to come down here. So that's what I'm looking at for today. And sorry, that was just, this video was more about how I chart my my Bitcoin. So this is, again, I started the 4-hour. I've already kind of know the trend for the day, and then go down to the 1 hour, the 15-minute, and you add in the different time frames, and then you're watching. Then you're looking for, okay, what's making sense here? Are we in a channel? Yes, we're going a little bit sideways. Are we going to get a reaction to the downside, the upside, and then you just trade it like that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informational videos, and we'll see you on the next one.